Replacing or installing windows is a significant investment for any Fort Lauderdale homeowner, enhancing aesthetics, energy efficiency, and property value. Hiring the right window installer ensures a seamless process and maximizes these benefits. However, it's easy to make mistakes that can lead to poor results, wasted money, and ongoing issues. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid when hiring Fort Lauderdale window installers. Failing to verify licensing and insurance. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is hiring installers without verifying their licensing and insurance. In Fort Lauderdale, window installation must meet specific building codes, and only licensed contractors have the training to comply. Hiring an unlicensed installer may lead to substandard work and could cause problems with permitting and future inspections. Equally important is insurance. If an installer lacks liability and workers' compensation insurance, you could be held financially responsible for any accidents or damage that occurs on your property. Always ask for proof of both licensing and insurance before signing any contract. Prioritizing cost over quality while sticking to a budget is important. Choosing the cheapest window installer solely based on price can lead to serious regrets. Lower prices often reflect less experience, lower quality materials, or inadequate warranties. A reputable installer may charge more, but they typically use higher quality products, employ skilled labor, and back their work with solid warranties. Consider the long-term cost of a poorly done installation when weighing your options. Neglecting to check references and reviews. Another common mistake is failing to check references and reviews. An installer's track record tells you a lot about the quality of their work. Request references from past clients and ask about their experience. Did the installer meet deadlines? Was the quality of work up to standard? Were there any issues with communication? Additionally, reading online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau, BBB, can provide valuable insights. Be cautious of installers with consistently negative feedback or unresolved complaints. Not asking about experience with specific window types. Not all windows are created equal, and neither are installers. Fort Lauderdale's climate, with its intense sun, humidity, and potential for hurricanes, demands specialized window products like impact-resistant or energy-efficient windows. If an installer lacks experience with the specific type of windows you need, they might not handle installation correctly, leading to performance and durability issues. Ignoring warranties and guarantees. The best window installers stand behind their work with warranties. Ignoring this aspect can leave you unprotected if issues arise after installation. Be sure to ask about both the product warranty, which covers the windows themselves, and the labor warranty, which covers the installation work. Understand what's covered, the duration of the warranties, and any conditions you need to meet to maintain coverage. Skipping a detailed written contract. Never rely on verbal agreements. A written contract protects both you and the installer by outlining the scope of work, costs, timeline, materials used, warranties, and other relevant terms. Without a detailed contract, you might face unexpected fees, extended timelines, or disputes over what was promised. Review the contract thoroughly and ensure you understand all terms before signing. Overlooking energy efficiency. Fort Lauderdale's hot, humid climate makes energy efficiency a crucial consideration when selecting windows. Some homeowners overlook this aspect, only to face higher energy bills down the line. Reputable installers can recommend windows designed to improve insulation and reduce UV rays, ultimately saving you money and improving comfort. Make sure the installer is knowledgeable about energy-efficient solutions tailored to the local climate. Not preparing questions and expectations. Another mistake is failing to communicate your needs and expectations clearly. Before hiring a window installer, prepare a list of questions about their process, timeline, costs, and specific installation methods. Discuss potential challenges, such as removing old windows or ensuring proper insulation. Open communication ensures there are no surprises and helps build trust between you and the installer. Conclusion. Hiring the right Fort Lauderdale window installer requires careful consideration to avoid costly mistakes. By verifying credentials, checking references, understanding warranties, and focusing on quality over price, you can ensure a successful installation. Your investment in new windows will pay off in increased comfort, energy savings, and enhanced curb appeal. Take the time to research and choose wisely, the results will be worth it.